It's a new day. What day is it, child? Yes, so I finally got to fold these clothes up. Don't worry, there's more in the dryer. I'm about to take these clothes upstairs and put them up. And then, as I hope you saw earlier, I got some packages. So we're gonna open those up real quick. Gotta get that done before my husband get home, because one of the boxes is too big, telling that he gonna have questions that I ain't gonna have answers for. Yeah, and then after we do that, hopefully we can run the Five Below on my lunch break really quick and look for the stuff that I wanted to get from there. So yeah, let's get this done.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Y'all, I forgot that today we gotta go to the school for a conference. Child, because Mackenzie done joined a play and theater class. And they said they are big on parent involvement. So we got to go to a meeting with a theater lady so we can see all that involvement that parents need to do. AKA, we're going to need you to pay something. I'm sure that's what that boils down to. So I wanted to go look at the Christmas lights and around the neighborhoods. Our neighborhood Facebook page posted like all the houses in our city that they have nice lights. And I'm like, we can just follow this, put these addresses in a map, and go around and look at those lights. So I ain't cooked dinner tonight, so maybe we can do that. Eat our little dinner in the car and just chill. I'm gonna see if they go for that, which they probably won't. We'll see. We shall see. But other than that, there was nothing else planned for today. We are still in countdown mode. I called my husband this morning. I was like, 6 more days. He's like, that's what you called me for? Yep, just want to let you know you got 6 more days. Well, he don't. He said, he done made me mad. He said he off. Tomorrow's his last day. He's talking about he got 1 more sleep and he done. So he off all next week. He got over 2 weeks off. I said, oh, must be nice. So I'm sure he probably gonna be doing some last minute things out and about next week, Monday and Tuesday. I told you I gotta get my hair done on Monday. So that'll be done then. Saturday, I'm gonna do Isaiah hair and then take him to the airport on Sunday. Dang, I can't even do Mackenzie hair on Sunday. I'm probably gonna have to do Mackenzie hair on Saturday too then. Great day. Maybe I'll do. That's fine. Because by the time she gets to the cruise, she's going to be trying to go swimming and stuff, so she'll take it down anyway. Yeah, so I don't know. I ain't figured it out yet. I probably could do it after work on Tuesday. We'll see. We'll see. Yep, so that's yeah, that's all we got going on. Trying to think. And of course, I still got clothes to iron, but those mainly, I'll only be concerned about ironing my husband's clothes for work. But if he ain't going to work next week, I ain't got to rush to get them done, so that's probably going to be put on the back burner. I was going to say till Saturday, but I got to do the kids' hair. I don't know, we'll work it out. Let's go open these packages. Alright, got my handy dandy box cutter. Just make sure it's all mine. Dang, I put close back up. I think some of the stuff I ordered comes tomorrow too. Yeah, because I told y'all before I was gonna do the try on for the black dresses that I ordered. Oh, this is spider gel. So this is, I got a new phone case. Well, I ordered a new phone case. Oh, it looks so pretty. I wanted a square one. Right now the one I have is rounded edges, so I wanted a square one. And this looks nice. Oh, it has scriptures on it. I didn't even know that. I just saw old girl and thought she looked cute. And it says, you are beautiful. Ecclesiastes 3:11, victorious, and it gives different scriptures: enough, created, strong, amazing, capable, chosen, never alone, always love. Baby, those are things that I know about me to be true. And different scriptures. So I'm gonna have to read. Oh, that's so cool, because when I got my phone face down, then that'll encourage me to look at those scriptures. Yes, okay, so I like that. And then the other thing we have is, Lord, I still got to do my nails. That's probably going to be Monday night. That's fine. And it probably ain't, because I don't know if I want to go to church looking busted. This is spider gel. I don't know if you've seen that. So it's white and black spider gel, just to make lines on as a nail design. And I always wanted to try that. All right, so that's that. Oh, these are the sponges for the kitchen. Yeah. I was ordering these off of and it goes with my kitchen, the color. I was ordering these from Bro Collaborative, but Bro Collaborative, it just was no longer convenient for me. It was convenient during, COVID, but I guess the stuff started opening back up. It wasn't. So I liked that these was brown, and they were really good at cleaning, helping me get the pots and pans clean. So yeah. Walnut, coconut fiber, wooden cellulose. Yeah, and I like this little box. Last time I didn't get that, they came in a bag, so that's cool. Let's see what else we got here. So we're excited, because y'all know my ASOS package still ain't showed up, so this is my first package I done got. I'm waiting on some nail polish from D&D Gel. They ain't came through yet. And I'm waiting for my New Balances from ASOS. I swear they're not getting no more of my money. And I probably better stop saying that. They're going to be like, oh girl, we heard you. We ain't sending nothing now. Anyway. So yeah, I'm just, now I'm getting antsy, because I'm like, we count down the days till we leave. I need all that stuff before I go. Okay, and these are the dresses to do the try on haul. Another dress. I got 4 or 5 of them, I can't remember. And this, I was really excited. It's a girl at our church that got an Apple Watch, and she has a clear watch band. And I thought it was so cute. But I don't got an Apple Watch. I have a Fitbit Versa. And I'm looking at this, and this don't look as exciting as hers or it did in the picture. So I'm gonna see how this works out as a watch band. Oh, that's all right. Right now, I just have a gold one. I have 2 watches, two smart watches. Those are the only watches that I wear. Yeah, I got rid of all my other ones. So I have So I have a silver one that's fossil that I wear when I wear silver jewelry. And then I have the Fitbit, which I got a watch band and a face covering that's gold. And that's the one I wear when I wear gold jewelry. And like this one could be used to go to the gym when I make it there. Or just, on a day when you ain't got no jewelry on, you just trying to run, but you still want your watch. So that's what we got going. That's why I got that. And then I might wear it when I wear my jewelry. Who knows? You never know. Now this is I don't know how many times I'm gonna use this, but you know what I said, I'm gonna make it my airplane bag. I bought this because we're supposed to go to the beach while we're on vacation, and this will be my beach bag to put whatever I need to put in there. And it's got the little opening. It's lined in there, so in case something spill. It's got some zipper pockets on both sides. It's got a lot of compartment, and it's got my initial on it, M. Okay. So I can actually take this as my what is it, y'all? My bag for the airport. Make it like my purse, right? And still have a carry-on. This could be my purse for the airport, and then this would be my beach bag. Because they said when you're going on a cruise, you know, you'll have your check-in bag that you got to give to the people when you go on a cruise. But if you want to go on deck and want to go swimming and stuff, you should have your carry-on bag that you can carry, a purse or something big enough where you can put your swimsuit in if you want to change or whatever. So that was the plan for that. Whew. So I'm tired and excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up again before my husband come home, so he don't start asking questions I ain't got no answers to. And then we're gonna get ready to head out to Five Below and see if they can get, except I can get a tripod. I'm so excited from them. And I think that's the only place I gotta go. But Five Below is next to Old Navy, so we might skedaddle on over there too. Okay, you just never know. Wherever the wind takes us. All right, girl. I will talk to y'all in the car.
Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Christmas time on high, in the falling snow, magic lights. Christmas time on high, in the falling snow. Christmas time on high.
on, give me your thing. Here.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Have a name for your order?
Smith.
Alright, what can I get y'all?
Can I get the spicy chicken sandwich meal?
Yes, ma'am.
No pickle. With a large fry and a medium sweet tea.
Alright.
And yeah, the salad. What? It's a Cobb salad. What's the salad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, a Cobb salad.
What's the dressing?
Can I get an extra of the little crunchy things?
The bell peppers?
Yeah. It's not croutons.
I think you told me 45 times left. And 5 times left. Hansel!
What else can I get y'all?
That's it.
Any sauce?
Barbecue.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't wait.
No, talk to me. You're blocking. You're bubble blocks. Stupid lotion.
Oh, I'm hungry.
I don't know why you're hungry. You've been at home all day with access to plentiful food.
Let you tell there ain't no food.
Exactly. And you keep steady saying there's food up in that house. When you say it, it's not food. When I say it, it's
I'm
always food.
hungry. Don't mean I didn't eat.
I'm not.
Is it?
I didn't say nothing.
You said a
Got
lot.
a stupid backpack here and put it nowhere.
What shoes are you gonna wear with your dress on the thing?
What?
On the cruise?
I told you my drawers. Happy today.
Which one?
I don't know what you're doing. This must have been a store right here. Cause why is that little sliding door walk-in too?
They made that one. This was mine. They tore this whole thing down and rebuilt it.
But Burger King used to be here.
Yeah, they tore it down.
Chick-fil-A taking over. They kick Burger King off the map and say, see you later. Yeah, see you later. Look at that. See you later.
That's an R.
This is not an R.
That's how you do R's.
This is an R.
No, I don't know what that is.
It's an X. Excuse me. That's myself.
Yes. Thank you. You too.
Hey, what's the big idea? Mommy.
I told you this how it's gonna work. I'm gonna show you.
Mommy, I wasted my points for it.
Okay, it'll come back.